Hey everyone, ever wondered what's actually using all the storage on your Windows computer? Instead of guessing, TreeSize Free lets you view your disk usage in a clear and organized way. In this complete guide, I'll show you how to scan your drive, read the results, and understand exactly where your storage space is going. So let's get started. First, open TreeSize Free from your desktop or the Windows Start menu. If you're planning to scan your main system drive, click the application and choose Run as administrator. This allows TreeSize Free to analyze protected folders and provide more complete disk usage information. Once TreeSize Free opens, click the Select Directory button near the top of the window. Choose the drive or folder you want to analyze. Most users begin with the C drive, but you can also scan external drives, USB devices, or individual folders. The scan begins automatically after you make your selection. After the scan finishes, TreeSize Free displays a list of folders along with their storage usage. The largest folders usually appear first, making them easy to identify. Each folder shows its size, and you can expand the folder tree to see which subfolders are using the most space. If you want a visual overview, switch to the tree map view. Every rectangle represents a folder or file, and the larger the rectangle, the more storage it uses. This view is especially useful when you want to spot large items without scrolling through long folder lists. Now review the folders with the highest storage usage. Expand them to locate large videos, downloads, backups, or other personal files that you may no longer need. Be careful not to delete Windows system files unless you're absolutely sure they're safe to remove. After cleaning up unnecessary files, run another scan to compare the results. This helps you confirm how much storage you've recovered and gives you an updated view of your disk usage. Regular scans can help keep your computer organized over time. And that's how to view disk usage with TreeSize Free. Once you know where your storage is being used, managing your files becomes much easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.